Hi, happy Sunday morning. I am headed to Pilates in basically a snowy morning. We're expecting more snow. It snowed quite a bit on us last night. So let's go get our Pilates on and trudge through the snow and hang out with me today. Well, that was good. It was a tough one today. I'm gonna be sore, but that's okay. Okay, just got home. Look at these giant drifts and piles, and the BMW is a convertible. We basically only use it mostly in the summer. Has been covered in snow for a very long time. Oh, yikes. Gonna trudge through the goat, get yesterday's mail because nobody wanted to venture out here and get it. Yeah. The garage is a tight squeeze. You can barely get in between these two cars. Really, you can't really get in because this, and there's the Tesla, but this one, this area here is because we have these, those vanities that we're going to be putting in the girls' bathroom when we get to that point. So they're taking up a whole bunch of the garage, which leaves not much room for the other cars. So yeah, more bathroom renovation supplies. Okay, it's bath time after Pilates. I always use a lot of Epsom salts. And it really helps my muscles get over whatever damage I did. In a large bathtub, you need a lot. So I feel tons better after my soak in the bathtub. It really does help with the pulling out the toxins and stuff from your muscles when they're sore. So that has always helped me a lot after a specifically strenuous Pilates or any other kind of a workout. So I almost always do that when I can. A couple things I wanted to share. I'm a hot mess. I'm so sorry. This is so cute. I was out shopping last weekend with my best bud. She's just amazing, Maya. And we were all over the mall doing fun things. We went to the Valentine event thing at Louis Vuitton, and we were just shopping all over the place. Got to go to the Ballard store, which Ballard Design has a store now near us, and I loved everything in there. But we stopped by Tiffany and Company, and this set of, it looks like paper cups, but they're porcelain. It comes in a set of 2. And so we decided to get the set of 2 and split it up so we each have 1. So yeah, I've got my Tiffany paper cup now, and I can think of her every time I see it. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use it for. I believe she put like a succulent coming out of hers, and it looks adorable. So I might be doing that with this one too. I don't know, but I love it. Got this one. Good Lord, I'm a mess. Sorry. Another thing I wanted to share with you guys is that I kept saying I was going to do a like a reveal or kind of just to show you my planner and so forth. And I still kind of, I do intend to do that. However, I'm having an issue with this piece. And I'd like to get that settled first. The issue being the same issue that many people have had. These just stick open. They don't close completely anymore. They did at first. They do not close all the way anymore. And whenever you're turning pages, it just gets stuck on there, and it's just a pain in the butt. And I don't like that they always get stuck. And it's just always kind of open there. The top ones are closed for the most part, but the bottom ones have this gap. I don't know if you can even see it. Kind of hard to tell. Maybe that shows it. Yeah. I need to take it in and see if they can repair that or exchange it or something. So until then, I'm really not going to give you a very comprehensive planner video because not sure this is working for me because of that. So got to work on that first. Let's see what else. Working diligently on the bathroom project. It is still happening. It's the Jack and Jill bathroom between my 2 daughters' bedrooms. That is the one that we're working on currently. And when I say we, I mean my husband primarily. I'm just kind of shopping for the bits and pieces and, helping where I can, but he's doing all the work. He actually enjoys doing it. So whenever he has time, that's where he is. So it takes a lot longer, but he enjoys it. And there's a whole section of the house that's completely a mess with tools and whatnot, tile cutters and everything. So I spent a lovely Valentine's Day at Home Depot, picking up more things for the project. We're not big on Valentine's Day anyway, and of course we exchanged cards and had a nice little meal at home and that kind of thing. But yeah, it was sort of funny that here we are at Valentine's Day and we're spending it at Home Depot buying grout. So nothing says romance quite like grout, right? So yeah, that was the Valentine's Day, and yeah, we're just constantly working on that, and as soon as I can, I'll let you know how we're doing. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen, I'm sorry, this is shaking. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen that I posted a picture of different tile choices we think we've narrowed it down to, and I loved all you guys' responses. It was so neat to hear which ones you guys liked. That has helped a lot because we were kind of on the fence back and forth over this whole thing. We've gone through so many different choices, and then we think we have it narrowed down, and then 2 weeks later we change our mind. So that helped a lot, and I'll put the picture here if you want to weigh in on your thoughts about that too. It's basically for the back wall of the shower. There's a bathtub and a shower and a rain shower thing too, and that's all in like a brushed nickel. The floor is like a marble kind of a tile, and the side walls of the back of the tub shower is that same floor tile, large marble looking things, and then the back wall is going to be the accent tile. So that's kind of the idea. The cabinetry it's called espresso, the wood, but it's basically almost black with a white quartz sink. So we've got black, white, grays, and a little bit of tans going through the marbling on the tiles for the floor and the sidewalls. So that's the color idea, and if you want to weigh in on what you think you'd like to see in the back wall, go for it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. That'd be helpful too. So yeah. So now I have a few emails to go through. I've got some laundry to deal with, and I am going to read a little bit today, I think, which is wonderful because I have a lot of books that I've kind of piled up that I want to get to, and I'd like to just spend a little bit of time reading today. It's a Sunday. I think I deserve that, right? Everyone deserves a little sit down and relaxation time on a Sunday. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. As always, I truly do. Hope you guys are having a good day. Bye.